Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your GetYourGuide app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click your own profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. So then you click here on profile, you just click on it. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you change your first name here and here your last name. So then you click here on save, then automatically here it's going to change your name. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.